Hey, and welcome to module 1.5 roundup and action points. So each and every module we are going to end with a roundup and action points video, basically discussing what we have been talking about in the videos, all the videos in that specific module. And we're going to do a checkup with the module goal, as well as giving you some action points in order to attain that module goal. So for this module, we had a module goal as well. And that was that at the end of this module, you understand the importance of conversational marketing and you know what a chatbot is. You also know why chatbots on Messenger are the way to go. Plus you discovered some of the key benefits of Clever Messenger. Now in this video you had 5 videos. The first video was basically to set expectations. In the second video you discovered more about what a chatbot is, what type of chatbot we are going to use throughout this training, why they're so good for your business and why they are so good for your customers. Then in the third video you discovered why Facebook Messenger is the way to go. And next to that, we shared some stats on Messenger as well. Then in the fourth video, we talked about some of the key benefits of Clever Messenger based on information gathered from our customers, our team, and some personal preferences from myself. And then this is the last video, the roundup and action points. So these are the action points for this entire training. Now, each and every roundup and action points video will have action points tailored specifically to that module. However, since this is the first module and it was more of an informative module, you have these action points right here, which is 1, watch the training, the entire training, that's all 5 modules, without implementing first, so that once you watch the training for a second time, you can implement it and it will be much easier. All right, so first watch the training without implementing, then watch it for a second time while implementing, and basically using the training, mainly the videos in modules 2, 3, 4, and 5 as guides in order to set things up and get things going for you. So I hope that makes sense. First, watch the entire training without implementing, then do it for a second time while implementing and using the videos as step-by-step guides in order to get things going. With that said, that completes the first module. And in the next module, we are going to do a deep dive in Clever Messenger and set everything up. So I hope you are excited. I know I am, and I will see you in the next video.